Hey, what's up, dudes? So in a recent video that I did, I'll put a link up here somewhere if you want to check that video out. I was talking about HVAC systems, and I vacuumed out, or at least as good as I could reach, vacuumed out the blower fan for my HVAC. Well, looking at some of the comments, and I decided, yeah, I probably should just go ahead and pull the whole blower out, and I've got it out here on the floor. So I've disconnected all the wiring. Of course, turned everything off. On mine there's a shut-off switch here on the side. If you do something like this, make sure you know exactly what you're doing. You definitely, I mean, there's enough voltage and amperage here that could kill you pretty quick. So definitely, if you're going to do something like this, shut off your HVAC system at your breaker box and also at the unit. If you have a switch like this, make sure everything is completely off. I've even got my meter here and tested the wiring. These, you see the bare wires here from the harness. I kind of pulled those off one at a time and tested from each wire to ground to make sure I wasn't getting any voltage at all to that point. So last time I thought I had cleaned this thing, but look, you know, I knew I did not get all of the dust. I knew that, but I mean, even on the blades, look, I didn't even manage to get it all on the blades. Even as much as I cleaned it, Look how bad and caked all this dust and dirt is. Whoever owned this house at one point in time must have really let their filters go, because this is decades of filth here, not just, you know, a couple years. This is not my doing, put it that way. I just moved into this house. We bought this house in 2019, so this is not all me. Yeah, you could tell. But way down in here, I mean, you can see, look at the amount of dust. We're going to take this outside. I'm going to fire up my compressor and just blow the crap out of this. I may even get my leaf blower possibly and blow it that way. We'll see if I can get it clean like that. Also found this. This was sitting right like this on top of the blower motor. I don't know where it came from or where it was originally, but it's saying something about holes provided in the rear of the unit or something, filter cleaning and replacement. Obviously, I don't need that, but it's some kind of sticker. I just wonder how it made its way inside this blower. But, I mean, let me see if I can get this to quit strobing. Sometimes it'll strobe and sometimes it doesn't. It just depends on see how the light, if I reflect on this, sometimes it'll strobe, see? But then other times it doesn't. Like that, I can kind of stop it from doing it. I don't know if you can see down there, but there's so much caked dust down inside this thing. Yeah, it just had to be pulled out. I'm glad you guys convinced me to do it. Let's get this outside and blow it out. Oh, also, while I'm down here and I'm thinking about it and I'm looking at this, you see all these particles here that have kind of busted loose. Those look like they're rust particles. But the thing is, I cannot see. This is a gas system. And that's one of the things that can happen is that in a gas system is that your elements your burn elements sort of rust out. And there is a lot of rust dust down here, but when I look up in there, I really don't see any rust spots. I mean, I see some surface rust, but I don't see anything that's really rusted through. I don't see big holes in it or anything like that. You know, I really want to be able to see inside of here and see what's going on. You know, this thing may need to be replaced. It's just, I do see some rust chips down on the bottom there. Can you see it? Maybe you can't see it. It's kind of tough to know what you can and cannot see until post-production, so I'm sorry. Let's see, let me get It's the walls in here that will rust out. I don't see any holes, at least not so far. You know, I do see some surface rust, but I don't see holes, which is a good thing, obviously. I mean, if we had holes, that would be bad. But I do not see any of those. Anyway, those are the three I can really see right now. It's kind of tough, like I said, to get really good light up in there. Again, I see some surface rust, but I don't see any places where it's rusted through, you know. So that's the main thing, and you know, maybe that's why they said that it needs to be replaced, because they came in here and they saw the surface rust that had fallen down out of there, and just, you know, presumed that it needed replacing, and that does kind of indicate that it's pretty far along. I mean, if it's getting rust chips out like that. For the time being, I'm going to roll with this winter, and we'll reassess maybe next year or something like that whether or not we need to replace this unit. But I am going to go ahead and blow this fan out outside. Let's go ahead and take this thing out there and get it blown off. Yeah, as you can see there, that got a lot of it, but it didn't get all of it. We still got caked on dirt and stuff here. I'm just basically gonna wash this thing out. Look at all that. Obviously, the reason that I couldn't clean all of this, all the blades, is because I could only reach half of the blade. You can see here there's a divider, and when I was using my duster in the other video, I was only reaching to this point. I wasn't reaching any of this back here, so it was just not even getting any of it. I should have probably loosened all that up and dust and blown it out before I got it wet, but let's go ahead and wipe it out as much as we can, and then we'll blow it off again and just do the best we can with it. That's not going to work. I thought I was going to be able to detach the motor so I could really wash this thing, but that's not going to happen because it's the shaft is seized on there. It's just totally seized. I've loosened that bolt, and it's just completely seized. You can see even some rust there. Let's just go ahead and wash it the best we can. At least I can reach in here a little bit better. We're going to give that several days to dry probably, and then we'll reinstall it, and hopefully that'll be much better. I mean, it's definitely much better. I didn't get all of it, but it's I mean, it's 99%. Okay, here's a second one out of my other house over here. This one's not nearly as bad as the other one was. This one doesn't have all the caked on dust, but it does have some dust, and we're going to blow it out and see what all comes out of it.
That's crazy how it spins like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, this one's definitely worse than it was. Let's see. Did you see all that dust?
By the way, it's his birthday tomorrow.
Yeah, happy birthday, me. Okay, so there's number 2 done. That's much better than it was. At least now these teeth are not nearly as caked as they were, but there's still some crap on there. I'm gonna go back and do it again one more time. Okay, so hopefully that gives you some idea of how important it is to dust these things out and to clean them properly, at least probably once every year or two. I had not ever done this since moving into these houses. I've been in the other house, the one this came out of, since 2017, so this one hasn't been done quite a while at least, so way overdue, and hopefully you guys can be inspired to do this for yourselves and for your family. For now, that'll do it, and we will see y'all later.